Today I'll be demonstrating the proper application of the Rotary Cone and Flange Upgrade Kit for a GCC rotary attachment. To start off, you're going to need a few items. You're going to need a metric Allen wrench. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. The proper operation of this, you're going to take the standard cone that you decide to use, and you're going to take your base plate. You're going to line up the base plate with your cone that you choose, and at that point, you're going to use your Phillips head screwdriver to mount it completely. At that point, you're going to take your Allen screw, you're going to remove the original cone from the rotary attachment, and you'll have the opportunity of replacing that with the flange that you just put together. You'll use your metric Allen screw to tighten it on. And at that stage, you will have a customized or upgraded cone for your rotary attachment. You will also have other options for different sizes, which at any stage you can mix and match along with your other cone. Thank you very much.